Greetings and welcome to this training video about funnel widget chart interpretation. So let's see how to interpret the data on the funnel widget chart on your dashboard. So before we begin, make sure that for all your pipelines, you have enabled this option, which is visible in funnel charts, which you'll see inside your pipeline settings. So this will make sure that, you are able to see the data and the opportunities on the dashboards for all the pipelines as well. So once you are done with this, you can go onto your dashboard and you will see this funnel widget for your pipeline here. You can also see the drop down where you can switch between different pipelines and the data will load accordingly. So before we proceed, for reference, let's consider this Land First 10 pipeline. So you'll see it is pretty much a standard pipeline where there are multiple stages. For example, registered with 229 leads, trial purchase with 4 leads, lesson 1 watched, lesson 2 watched, lesson 3 watched, and so on. So this is a generic standard pipeline, how it would be for a lot of customers. And let's see how the funnel chart would show the data for this specific pipeline. So, as you move on, you'll see that there are 6 stages on the widget, 5 for each of the stages and plus 1, which is the 1 section, as it is the desired exit criteria for any opportunity, because, when any customer enters your pipeline or funnel, you want them to exit as a 1 opportunity. Right? So we always have the 1 stage at last, which is the bottom, which is here. So the number of steps would be the number of stages in your pipeline plus 1, which is the 1 stage. That is like how you count the number of stages. Now moving on, here you can see the first section shows the total number of opportunities that entered the pipeline. So in our case, it will show us 272, which is the sum of all the leads or opportunities in all the stages, as it is our first stage. So, we want to know that what was the total number of customers which entered our pipeline, which would be the total number of customers which are there in the pipeline, no matter in what stage or status they are in. So which is 272. Now, moving on in the second section, the trial purchased, we've moved forward in the state sequence and removed the opportunities that are still in the previous stage. That's it. So here we'll see 43, which is the total number of opportunities from this stage and onwards. This will also include the 1 opportunities in the pipeline. Similarly, if you go to lesson 1 watched, we move 1 step ahead, and we remove the opportunities which stayed in the trial purchase step. Similarly, that is how you calculate the number of opportunities in all the stages. Just to make it easier, you can always refer to this formula, which is the number of opportunities in a section, or a step is equal to the number of opportunities which are there in the current stage, till the last stage. So current stage plus the next stage plus the next stage till the last stage. And this will include all the 1 opportunities in the pipeline. So this is how you calculate and validate if the data, the data showed on the funnel widget chart and so on. Thanks for listening to this video about funnel widget chart interpretation. For more videos like this, or to make a request for additional training videos, please go to the main menu and add a comment ticket.